Hey, here are 3 looks I put together styling my dad's cowboy boots. For the first look, I've got this body-hugging, sleeveless turtleneck dress on. I've paired it with all matching black accessories from my black sunnies to my fedora that I've accessorized with my mom's silver belt. For look 2, I paired this silk cami with a lace applique with an equally silky satin skirt. This time I'm wearing the belt as intended around my waist. I've got a matching black bandana, and to give myself a pop of color, I'm rocking these cool oval-shaped blue sunnies. For the third and final look, we're leaning really heavy into the western theme. I brought back the fedora. I've got a black pleated miniskirt on, again rocking my mom's belt, a mock bustier corset, and this time I've tied the bandana around my neck as an accessory. Here I'm wearing a similar but different pair of black sunnies. And that's all. Till next time.